Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. Hope you're having a glorious day. Old man winter is slowly losing his grip on us up here in the North Country. So today I just wanted a real brief one, give you an update on what I have discovered in regards to chip breakers again, on different makers, chip breakers. The blade in this plane is a Ron Hock made for James Krenov style planes. The chip breaker on it, I took it apart, is very similar in concept and design to the old antique one, where you have a piece of steel, the front end gets bent, and then this front end gets honed to meet with the cutting blade. That's it. Simple concept, perfect execution. And this is Ron's 01 tool steel, which hones to a incredibly keen edge. I love it. I love the 01 tool steel. So a real brief video today. We're going to be under 2 minutes, so we could call this a 2-minute quickie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.